Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Khanna. This video that I'm making today is my tribute to all the overthinkers out there who experience a lot of anxiety and overwhelm because of this very big vision that they have in their heart. And overthinkers suffer terribly on a daily basis because they do not know how are they going to manifest that big vision that they carry within themselves. I hope this video is going to help you reduce the overwhelm that you experience on a day-to-day basis. I came across this very simple quote from a book called The Horse, the Boy, the Fox and the Mole. And this particular book, which is also made into a movie, is very inspirational with respect to how do we lead our lives. I will quickly share that quotation, and I really hope that one single conversation is going to help you ease your journey. So the boy and the horse are in the woods, and the boy says to the horse, I cannot see a way through. I cannot see a way through the woods. And the horse says, can you see the next step? Can you just see the next step? And the boy says, yes, I can see the next step. And the horse very simply tells him, so just take that step. And that's all I would like to tell you guys who are suffering from overthinking, who have this very big dream or very big vision or purpose that you are carrying within yourself, which you're also shy to share with the world. You're not ready for it. But there's just this one conversation between the boy and the horse. It's a conversation that you need to have with your own self. Most of us are waiting to reach that destination. And the addiction, the dopamine of meeting happiness when we make that destination come true. But what about the journey and the process? Are you celebrating the chaos and the confusion, the challenge and the change that you are experiencing within your own self as you start making that big dream happen? Are you really celebrating all of it? Because if you aren't, then you have this addiction which I call the destination addiction. You are literally addicted to reaching that place which exists in the future, but you are trading off and you're bargaining yourself, your happiness, your satisfaction, your present moment for something that's out there in the future. It's a never-ending loop, my dear. I'll be happy when I reach my destination. And that's, I believe, a syndrome that each one of us goes through at different parts in our lifetime. I call it the destination addiction. So shout out to all the overthinkers. Just take that next step. Don't get lost in the woods. Enjoy the woods as you take the next step, and the way will appear. Enjoy the co-traveler that you are, you alone are, and nobody else is. So enjoy the person that you are and the person that you are becoming and the person you will become when you reach the destination. So enjoy the journey, and the you that you are is all that matters, right? It's the woods that matter, but the most important in the journey is the you that matters, and the you that you are today, the you that is changing, and the you that you are becoming. So I will leave all of you all with this very sweet conversation between the boy and the horse, and I hope this will be the food for thought, and this will help ease your journey towards that big vision that you are carrying within your heart. Signing out, this is Roshni Khanna.